So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to outline table text on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up and you have a table, I'll just go ahead and add that quickly here on your presentation. If you want to add outline around text inside of a table, I know that doesn't maybe make the most sense right now, but let me just show you guys an example. Text, just like this. So as you can tell, if I were to increase the font here just like that, the text has no outline to it. So let's just say you wanted to have black text with a purple outline or whatever the case may be. I'll show you guys how to do that. So press on the table right here. Make sure that text is selected in the top here so you could be on table. Make sure text is selected. Simply just scroll down to where there's this little gear icon right here and press on that. Scroll down to where it says outline right here. Make sure outline is selected. Now, as you can tell, a black on black outline doesn't look like anything crazy. But as I mentioned before, if I wanted to have, let's just go cyan, for example, just so it's a little bit more easy to see, and I were to increase this, I actually have increased the outline to text right here, just like that. So you can go ahead and play around with that. Whatever you guys want to do, it is completely up to you. So very simple, very straightforward. But that is how to edit how to edit table text, the outline of it here inside of a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.